Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to day 20 of 30 days of sketches. And today's sketch is brought to you by Claudia Henderson. It is a lovely sketch with 3 photos, which is great because I had 3 photos that I wanted to use. I have 1 larger and 2 smaller, just like she does, although my photos are all in a horizontal orientation. So I'm rotating the whole sketch. You can see it up in the corner. I have rotated it. I'm not necessarily rotating my title, but the rest of it is pretty much rotated. So these are some birthday photo pictures. It's actually my birthday. The kids that I take care of, they had cupcakes, sang happy birthday, and we just had a really good evening together. In the larger photo, it's me with all 3 of the kids. And then in the bottom photo, it's the oldest one with one of the cupcakes. And actually the top left-hand photo is actually a screenshot or screen capture of the girls singing happy birthday. And so I am going to include a QR code at the end of the day with this of a video of them singing happy birthday. And this is going in my album for me. And I just think it was really cute that they did this for me. Their parents had gone out. This was actually not on my birthday because I was actually off on my birthday. But it was the week after their parents were going out somewhere. And so I ended up staying late and watching the kids. And the parents had set this up, the cupcakes and such, for when we came back from dinner. And I thought that was really cute of them and super sweet. Now, I did trim down my paper. This background paper is from Pretty Little Studio. It's leftover from Kit Conspiracy that we did last November, which is basically each week MK and I use a different kit and try and use as much out of that kit as we can. We're going to do it again in April with all new kits. You can go check out the Kit Conspiracy Facebook group if you want more information on that. And so I'm using that, and then I'm using this rainbow piece out of my stash, and I am distressing the side that touches the rainbow paper. And unfortunately, I cannot find my good distressor from MK's shop, and I'm gonna have to order a new one. I don't know if it fell off my desk and into my trash can or what. I've looked high and low for it, still looking for it. But in the meantime, I had to switch back to my old one, which is basically in my travel caddy, just in case I forget my big one. I do have one with me, but it reminds me of why I hate distressing papers, because that little thing is so darn small. It's hard to hang on to. The little grooves that the paper goes in to distress it are so small that it just makes it not enjoyable. So I'm definitely missing my big distress tool. I'm going to put a link for MK's down below so that you can check that out if that's of interest to you. If you watch my channel a lot, you probably have seen me use it and heard me raving about it because it's so easy to hang on to, and the grooves are so much larger that it's just, I don't know, 100% better than this other little one that I've got. Anyway, in that, I went ahead and inked up the piece of the paper that I used the distress tool on, just because I wanted to give a little bit of depth of color against that bright rainbow. And then I'm going to ink up all of my other pieces. I did cut this 3x4 card that says Cupcake. It says Happy Birthday Cupcake on it. I cut that in half so I can put half of it above the photo and half below. And that is helping me meet my goals this month. I'm trying to use as many 3x4 cards as I can without, making it look funky. I just want to use them where I can, and this one was the perfect one for this layout. And then I cut up this little piece of that had banner flags on it. This is also a leftover piece from Kit Conspiracy when we used Pretty Little Studios Sunkiss collection. And so I'm going to use that. It goes really well with this Pebbles collection that all of this ephemera up on the upper right hand corner of my desk is from. And that rainbow piece is from a completely different collection. I'm not even sure what it's from, but it was just in my scrap bin. But the colors are perfect for everything else, so I'm going to go ahead and just match that up. Now, I'm not somebody who really likes the rounded corners, and this little piece had rounded corners. I just took that to my trimmer, trimmed off the rounded corners to get rid of those. I thought I would use that big cupcake that I fussy cut out, but I ended up using this one from Bella Boulevard. This was sitting on my desk I had a whole pile of things that I need to put away. And so I was like, oh, geez, I could just use that instead of trying to find a place to put it, because I don't really have a bin that is specific for birthdays or anything like that, and it's got all these different colors, so it wouldn't really go great in my color bin. I probably wouldn't find it again if I put it in my miscellaneous bin. It wouldn't be something that I'd know where it was at and just reach for it when I had a birthday or something cupcake related. Or celebratory going on. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to use it right now because I think it's super cute. I love all the layers of it. It matches everything really well. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to actually use the other two bits that were in that same Bella Boulevard little pack. One is a candy and one is a cotton candy. We didn't have cotton candy or candy on my birthday, but we did have a cupcake. And so I think that's just going to be great. It's very celebratory and fun, and I really like that fact. So that's why I decided to go ahead and use those. And it just makes me happy. All of these things, it's just a very happy layout. I did pop all of these little banner pieces up onto some foam tape to help support them because I am putting some baker's twine, and this baker's twine is kind of thick. But I am stringing that behind it. And I know it's really hard. You don't see that baker's twine at the top of the banners very much, which is totally okay with me. But I like the loopy ends of it, and I like the black and the white with all of these bright colors, and I think that's just kind of fun. I do use my tweezers to hold everything in place while it sets up, and I just use my Nuvo adhesive to kind of hold everything against the page. So when I slide it in the page protector, it doesn't pop out or get stuck on the page protector. Now I thought that candy was going to go up in that place where I just set it, but I'm going to switch it out for the cotton candy, put the little piece of candy on the banner, and I think that's really cute. And then I do find another ice cream piece of acetate that I'm going to tuck in up here at the top. And that is it, you guys. I'm going to add a little bit of journaling and call it a day. And don't forget, there is a series going on for 30 days of questions, 30 days of sketches. The link to the playlist is down below, so you can go and check out everyone else who is playing along and see all of their sketches for this particular or their layouts for this particular sketch, and you can see all of the other layouts that they've done so far this month. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you don't mind, and if you're not already subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe as well. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.